This is a 2020 Chevy Silverado, the LT package with the 5.3. We're just gonna keep it simple, replace the factory muffler, put a Flowmaster Super 44 on there. It's gonna leave the factory resonated tips on there, keep it all stock, and see what it sounds like. All right, well, you can see what the factory sound is. We'll get back to you when we get the Flowmaster on there. Okay, we're back with the Chevy Trail Boss, and we have replaced the factory muffler with the Flowmaster Super 44. As you can see, it's all stock. Other than that, let's see what it sounds like.